it's Mia from Josh and Mia, back again with another video. So today's video is going to be a mini twist tutorial. I'm basically just showing how I achieve my mini twist with 2 products only. And as you guys see, my hair is very dry from that failed wash and go. So I went to rinse all of the product, well, basically rewash my hair, rinse all of the product out, and just start fresh again. I didn't deep condition this time because I didn't want to overload my hair with moisture, so I just kept it as is. So the first thing I'm going to do is part my hair with my wide tooth comb. So I'm going to part it into 2 separate sections and just put my hair up into 2 puffs, as you guys are going to see in a few. So after I get my hair into 2 separate sections, I'm going to go in, spray my hair with water, detangle it with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, then use the Coconut Shea leave-in conditioner by BodyWorks and the Natural Curl Defining Cream by BodyWorks as well. Also, don't forget, if you want to receive 15% off your BodyWorks purchase, use code MIAH to receive 15% off at checkout, or click the link in the description box to shop directly through my personal ambassador link, and your 15% off will be applied automatically at the end of checkout. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is the Coconut Shea leave-in conditioner, and as you guys see, it is adding much needed moisture to my hair after my attempt of a wash and go. It just ended up making me look like Frederick Douglass, but it is okay, and it left my hair super tangled and dry. Yeah, just real dry. So if you guys want to see that video on my failed wash and go, I'm going to link the video below in the description box, or I'm going to link it above. And the next product I'm going in with is the Natural Curl Defining Cream, and like I said before, my hair really loves this line in particular. It soaks up all of the moisture that the product is giving out, and that's more than I can say about any product that I've tried thus far. So there is no way in particular that I do my mini twist. I just go section by section, and I part straight across, and I just kind of split it into what I feel is adequate and what I feel is a mini twist. So there is no method to the madness or anything. I just split it up into what I feel the thickness is right, and then I just twist all the way down to the end. This brush with the best brush is absolutely my favorite brush to detangle with currently. I love how I don't have to over manipulate or overwork my hair or yank or tug at it too much just to get the brush to flow through my hair smoothly. And considering how tangled my hair was before I even started this process, this brush is the bomb. So I'm going to link Brush with the Best Instagram below in the description box, so that if you guys want to purchase one of these amazing brushes, you guys can. guys can't tell, but I absolutely was over it. At this point, I was like, oh my gosh, I did not know my fingers were going to be cramping like this doing these twists. But I can say, although it did take me almost 2 hours to get these done, I really did enjoy the final outcome, and I wore my hair in the twist for about 2 weeks. So I'm not really a twist person. I'm more of a braid out kind of person. So now, after this style, I can honestly say I'm going to start doing mini twists more often and just wearing that as a protective style. Side note, guys, I want you to take a look at how moisturized and defined my curls are. I haven't seen my hair fully moisturized in I don't know how long. So shout out to BodyWorks and the Coconut Shea line for giving my hair that much needed moisture. I'm sorry I keep doing these close-ups, guys, but I want you to just take a look and fully embrace how well this product works on type 4 low porosity hair. And most of the time, products that I use, because I'm low porosity, sits on the top, and I kind of have a lot of product buildup on my scalp, and I have to clarify my scalp a lot. But this did not sit on my scalp at all, and my hair actually soaked it all in. So, like I said before, if you know, you know. So use my code MIAH to receive 15% off at checkout, and the line is BodyWorks Coconut Shea line. So here I am finally almost done. I cannot believe that I really sat and did this style for almost 2 hours, but I can honestly say that it was well worth it. I was able to wear my hair for about a week before I refreshed, and then after I refreshed, I wore my hair for about another week. And I just recently took my mini twist down the day before yesterday, so that's 2 weeks after I recorded this video, and the results were amazing. If you guys want to see the results, I'm going to link my Instagram below so that you guys can be directed over to my page to see my results. Like, they were absolutely amazing. My hair was full, defined, and very voluminous, because I'm one of those people, I'm really into volume in my hair being very big. finally done. Don't forget to use code MIAH on Eden BodyWorks website to receive 15% off. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more content like this. See ya.